The engine is out. It's sitting over here on a tire with the new one right here. Well, 11,000 mile salvaged. This one's out of a 2020. The customer went and bought that and picked it up himself and brought it to us. So we're gonna probably tear this one down and show you what happened. Put it right over here. Alright, got Nick stripping her down. Oh no, there's 2 injectors down there. Whatever will we do? And oh, lipstick's coming with her. She looks clean in here. Let's get the head off.
Just get this one off. I think she's ready to be smacked.
Woohoo! Hello from the other side. Peekaboo! Oh, no more peekaboo. And crack. Ooh, that was a good one. And free. And ooh! Oh, it's not gonna clear. Oh, it got.